So I bought a new bike, the Triumph Trident. Don't worry, it's not replacing the Monkey. I still have the Monkey. It's just going to be my more everyday bike. I only picked it up yesterday, so let's rewind a bit of time and I'll give you my first ride away on this bike. Alright, so here I am at JS Gedge Triumph, about to put away on my brand new Triumph Trident. Alright, let's swing a leg over. Here we go. Put that up. Turn it on. First new bike. Oh, it sounds so good. Alright, let's go. Woohoo! New bike! Okay. So here we go on my brand new Triumph Trident, which I've just picked up. It's my first new bike and I upgraded from my CB500 to this. So I did one test ride of this bike, but I was with an instructor and it was unrestricted bike, so I was a little bit tentative on the throttle. But this time round, I'm on my own, bit more confidence. No one's judging my riding, apart from my mum maybe. This TST dash is super nice. I knew it was going to be nice. So I'm interested to see how much grunt the bike has. It does seem to feel like it's got a bit more. Oh, I wish you could see the smile on my face right now. Or not. Oh my word. Yeah, no, this still has some... This has some go. This has some serious go for a restricted bike. My word, this is very different to the CB500. It's still got some of that low down torque that that people are raving about on this bike, and the restricted version still has that. When I pull, it goes. Reduce speed now. No. Brand new tyres, we've got to be a bit careful. Oh my word. Oh, my arse. That hurt. Yeah, fitting the firm suspension on that, my word. So I can definitely feel how the suspension's firm, but it's not uncomfortable like rock. Every single bump you hit, it's like jarring. It's just not particularly pliable at the moment. You know what, I watched the weather forecast all week and it said it's not going to rain, so I was very excited today to hopefully get to ride without rain. Well, after weeks of no rain and having beautiful weather, of course it is now pissing it down with rain 10 minutes into my ride on my new bike. Oh man, what a shame. What a shame. Right, Triumph Trident. My first sort of impressions, let's turn it on. Oh, sounds so good. So good. Oh yeah, just caught myself in the mirror there. That looks good. So this is the first ride on my brand new 2021 Triumph Trident, which is the bike I have upgraded from my CB500 to. Now you can watch a ton of other videos on YouTube where they'll give you all of the specs of this bike, but I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to put it up on the screen now. Here's the specs of the bike. But what's interesting about my one is it's A2 compliant, meaning it's got a restrictor grip on it and a restricted tune, so I can legally ride it on my A2 license. So I'm going to be comparing this to my CB500, which was my previous bike, and seeing what I think of the ride and if the Triumph Trident is worth it as a restricted bike. It is in its running in mode, so I can't go too hard on the throttle, but I will give it a few beans. You'll notice every time I go over 4,000 revs, it's going to flash at me. So sorry if that's a little bit annoying to start with. Oh wow, that is very full. My word. Hopefully you can see enough of the bike and the road. Bit of national speed limit. Let's hang back a bit and I can... Woohoo! Oh my goodness me! This bike really does go. That is impressive. That is very, very impressive. Blimey, that is composed in that corner. It really is. How's the comfort of the bike so far? Yeah, not bad, you know. My CB500, very wallowy, but very comfortable. So not amazing in the corners, but there's a bit of a cloud to sit on. This, much firmer, but still very nice indeed. Oh my word. The grunt of this compared to my CB500 is shocking. It is shockingly good. The way it picks up there is baffling to me, that this is a restricted bike and it goes that well from, what was I in, third gear to overtake. The throttle is super smooth. It's not snatchy as I'm accelerating away. It's got a nice feel to it. You know, I was saying the suspension on my CB500 quite wallowy but very comfortable. I was worried that this was going to be super firm because of the sporty nature of it. And although yes it is firm, it's not uncomfortable. Oh, here comes the rain again. Here we go. There was me wanting to enjoy nice dry roads for my ride home like it was the other day. The ride here was super sunny as well. But we want to be raining, so we'll enjoy the rain. I'll whack my heated grips on so my hands stay nice and toasty warm. What are we stuck behind here? Oh. So there you go, that was my first day riding on the Trident. The weather put a stop to me having too much fun, but as you can see, it's a lovely day today, so I'm going to head out and have some fun. If you like this video, like it. If you want to see more videos on the Trident, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Anything you want to know about it, make sure you leave a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheerio.